Welcome back, Wax Addicts, and welcome to the Wax Lair. My name is April. So today, this is going to be the world's smallest wax video. This is my destination wax haul, and you guys, here it is in all its glory. And let me tell you something, I already smell these bad boys already, and I haven't even opened them up. So why is this going to be the world's smallest wax video? Because I went in hard for just 2 cents. 2 cents only, because Destination Wax has my favorite strawberry in the whole entire world. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. So I do have a couple samples here. Let's talk about the samples. And I always appreciate a good sample, because that is how you find out that you love a scent that you never thought you would pick up. So the first one is Pink Petal Teacake. And the scent notes are pink roses and vanilla glazed pound cake, BBW inspired. This is not a scent that I would normally pick up based on scent notes, just because pink roses and me don't get along. But let's give it a try. Okay. This is definitely rose forward. I would say you have to like rose scents. Now this is an authentic pretty pink rose, but it is very floral and very rose nonetheless. But I super appreciate this. I'm gonna mix this with a nice bakery scent, and I think that's gonna be lovely. So thank you so much for that sample. Okay, next up is one that is right up my alley, and that is Watermelon Sorbet. So it's fresh watermelon, honeydew, kiwi, and vanilla sugar. I love all those things. I love the scent. Yeah. This is a really nice watermelon. It's like, it's almost like you're having a watermelon sorbet. I mean, who'd have thought, you know, that's the name, but it is. It's like a watermelon gelato ice cream, but not creamy. Just like a frozen sorbet, watermelon flavored. Yeah, it's good. This is like on a hot summer day. This is what you want to be melting in your house. I mean, just smelling it already kind of feels like I'm cooling off, because I'm freaking hot in here. Yay being over 50. But yeah, that smells delicious. So I cannot wait to warm that one. Next up is Cranberry Balsam. Oh, this is Fir Blossom, or Fir Balsam, spiced cranberries, apples, oranges, and grapefruit. Interesting combo. Let's see. Oh, okay. All right. This would be fan-freaking-tastic in the winter. Like, I don't like tree scents, but I like this one. So that Fir Balsam with that cranberry is a killer combination. And the oranges and the grapefruit just kind of give it a little bit of brightness, a little bit of life and airiness. That's really nice. So thank you, because you know what? This is based on the scent notes. I'd have been like tree, no, but that tree is really, really blended nicely with that cranberry and the orange and the grapefruit. This is one I would definitely pick up for the winter time. So thank you so much for those samples. I'm so excited. And I like how there was a nice little combination of different things. Okay. Oh my gosh. There's one more sample. That's a lot of samples. That's amazing. Okay. This one is spiked eggnog. Ooh, yummy. I'd love to have some of that right now. Scent notes are vanilla eggnog spiked with rum, clove, cinnamon, ginger, and a nutmeg, topped with whipped cream. That's a good eggnog. You do get like that creamy vanilla, thick, rich eggnog. And then it's like grandma went in and she put some rum in it, some buttered rum, a little bit of spices. that smells really good. So yeah, this is one I would absolutely pick up, like probably late fall, early winter. Yeah, that smells delicious. So again, thank you so much for the samples. That's a lot of samples. Okay, so now for the things that I went in for. I freaking love Destination Wax's strawberry seeds. This, I swear to you, is the best damn strawberry I have ever smelled in my life. And let's see, how many did I get? I think I got 5. This, where's the other one? Here it is. I picked up 5 strawberry seeds. Probably should have got a loaf, but I really like the snap bar shapes. I just think it's easier to cut, and then you feel like you're getting through your wax because, like, oh, I can put this one in my empties, you know? It's all there. Whatever you need to do to make you feel better about having a shit ton of wax. All right, so scent notes are sweet and zesty strawberry. Oh my gosh, and that is exactly what you get. This is the best strawberry wax I have ever had in my life. And I am a strawberry girl. I love strawberry scents. This one, it beats everything out there. This is so great on its own. I think this would be a great mixer scent as well. Like, you could add bakery to this. You could add lemonade, make a strawberry lemonade. So many different things. Ooh, this would be really good with like a nice mint, almost like a strawberry mojito, maybe strawberry margarita. Like if you had a margarita scent, that would be divine with it. But yes, I picked up 5. Probably I'm gonna need more because, again, like I said, this is my favorite strawberry in the wax world, and I have melted a ton of strawberry scents because, again, it's one of my favorite scents. Okay, and the next scent I got is one that's new to me, haven't smelled it, but see, I think Chris from Dazzling Scents of Chris, one of my besties, she loved this scent, and somebody else, I think. But yeah, this is one that I've been wanting to try for a long time, so I just did it. And that is Quicky Wedding. I went ahead and I picked up 5 as well, just because I'm like, you know what, you know you're gonna love this, so just go for it. So the scent notes are fresh strawberries, strawberry seeds, ding ding ding, which is a scent that I love, and marshmallow fluff. So yeah, this one had me at strawberry seeds and marshmallows. Come on. And I don't know if I showed you or if you could really see it on the other wax, but this one you can see it. It's a beautiful sheen, just very, very light, like mica glitter, just really, really pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm getting that delicious strawberry seed note and that like extra strawberry from the fresh strawberry. And then that marshmallow fluff is just adding a little creaminess, a little sweetness, a little bakery element to the scent. Oh my gosh, this is so good. I'm probably getting glitter all over my nose, but I don't care. I freaking love this one. These 2 scents, I hope, stay in Destination Wax's lineup forever, because I will be so sad if I can never get my hands on these again. They're just that great of scents. I freaking love it. So that is my super duper tiny little Destination Wax haul. I want to say she opens up every month, like at the beginning of every month. So go ahead and check her out. I will leave all of her information in the description box below. But yes, she has a ton of scents, and I think she has 2 sizes. I think she has these clamshell sizes or pull away bars, however you want to call it, and then she has loaves. But yeah, I'm so excited to get to warming through everything, and honestly, she has anything that you would want. Just her list is ginormous. I think she breaks them down into different, like, A through J or whatever, you know, it's like that many scents. So you are bound to find something you love. So I will definitely put her information in the description box below. And if you have purchased from Destination Wax already, leave your girl a comment below. What do I need to try? I've got my strawberry seeds. I've got my Quickie wedding. I love a bakery. I love fruity scents. So you watch me, you know the kind of scents I like. What do I need to try from Destination Wax? Because I kind of want to try some of her other wax blends. So thank you so much, and I will talk to you later. Bye.